was the
Correct,
access
correct. In the
something.
real time, we
Go
will
to
not
root
use the root
user.
user. Yes, yes.
Mm-hmm.
We will use only IAM user, but our practicing we will use root user.
Oh, okay, okay.
Mm. Okay, I will share my screen.
1 second, I'm not able to see.
Uh,
I stopped actually.
ఇంతవరకు అడిగినా నేను దాంతోనే చేయలే
Submit. Okay. I'm able to see now.
So first I will open the GitHub. I will show you how it will
Hmm.
be.
How it's going in Cognizant, like hybrid model only now, or like from the
For your class purpose only, I went to office and swiped and back again. I need to go in the evening.
Oh, okay. No, usually what hybrid model or
Hybrid only. 3 days I need to go.
3 days? Okay,
Mm.
2 days work from home you can take.
Mm.
Got a promotion. Someone said my old team person got promotion. It seems.
I got promotion last year.
Oh, okay, okay. Last year.
Associate to senior associate.
SCA level now.
Mm.
Mhm.
Okay. If you go to
Huh.
anywhere, okay. Now I
Huh,
will
huh.
create new folder. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
What happened? My system is very slow. Already I clean up morning,
Okay.
but still it is very slow. This
You will use office laptop, personal laptop for
no,
teaching.
how I will use office laptop, right?
Exactly. That is what they won't allow you. No, if you have to teach also, like from office, you can't take laptop and teach over there.
No, sometimes if they want to see na, but
Huh.
that is not unofficial. So I shown how it is there everything. I shown in the
Oh.
directly in the. I am
Uh-huh.
going in the hostel, right? That time I will show.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. You will go hostel to teach students, like
Sometimes
whoever.
correct.
Uh-huh. I mean, they are different, working in different domain, but they learning DevOps under you.
Correct. And today. Okay. Now wherever you
Hmm.
want, you can create folder. You can go to, or else if you have existing folder, you can go to that one. You can open that one. Now you can clone it repository.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh, clone the Git repository.
URL.
Mm-hmm.
HTTPS URL.
Okay.
So whenever you clone na,
Hmm.
whatever available in the remote repository name, that will
Hmm.
create as a folder in your local. Once clone is complete, see hello world. My repository name
Okay.
is the hello world. See,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you clone the repository
Hmm.
remote to local, whatever
Hmm.
repository name there, that will create as a folder in your local.
Okay.
Now we
Yes.
need to go to repository. CD.
Inside that repository.
Now it
Hmm.
will show the default branch. What is the default branch?
Here, main branch now.
Main. So if you see my here as well, what is the default branch? Default
Main.
branch means whenever you access the repository, which branch
Hmm.
it is showing, that is the default branch.
Okay.
Whenever you
No.
open the
Hmm.
repository
Hmm.
in
Hmm.
the GitHub, whatever
Okay.
showing the present branch, that is the default branch.
Okay. Irrespective of we select manually, whatever it shows is
Hmm.
the main branch, main
Not
branch,
main branch, default branch.
default branch. That those are default.
Hmm.
Okay.
And if you want, you can change the default branch as well by doing the settings.
Huh. Huh. Huh.
Okay.
Hmm. Got it.
Now
Hmm.
I will create the new feature branch
Okay, so when I went, I
because I
should
will
be
tell you.
under DevOps training. That I not
Uh,
went yesterday. I should have
Correct,
seen that
exactly,
this thing.
exactly.
LS if I give, it
Mm,
will give under which repository. So my repository name gives as DevOps
yes,
training. So
exactly.
under that, I should have created
Why
the
you
folder.
need to go that one? You need to work on some work in your repository, right? That is the reason you need to
Uh,
go your repository. After that,
uh,
don't do the changes directly in the main. Why? They restricted the main branch. We need to create our own feature branch,
own
do
feature
our work.
branch. Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay. But yesterday I've created, but where it got created, there is no proper repository details itself. Somewhere
Mm,
it got locally it got created. That's it in my
mm.
machine.
Now I am creating and checking, switching the directly feature branch.
Okay. In the sense,
Okay?
test two is the folder you have.
No, test
Huh.
to is the feature branch name, right?
Branch name. Okay, okay.
Mm.
You checked out from the main and you went to the feature test two
Now
branch.
I haven't went. I created and I went.
You checked out from that main and
Mm.
you have
No, no,
created
not
the.
check it out. By default, it will be there, right?
Oh, okay, okay. Main only you were already in the main branch. Okay.
By default, whenever you switch this repository, na, it will show default branch. I told you, right? Whenever you
Main.
clone repository, if you go to repository, it will show default branch. Default branch is the what is the default branch here main? That is the
Here
reason it
main.
is showing default branch. I haven't checked out the main branch. By default, it is their main branch. After that, I
Okay.
created the branch and I checked out the branch.
Okay, okay, got it. Test two is nothing but the branch name.
Future slash
Future.
text to.
Okay,
So see this one.
branch name you are given as a feature. That's it. You are like
Future slash test to I given
text
enter.
two. Hmm.
This is
That
the
is the
branch name.
branch name now.
Whatever I highlighted, that is the branch name. Okay.
Hmm.
Now I will add the file.
File. Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Test-2.txt. Okay. If you check it, what is the status? Tell me.
It should be like it will be in red color now.
Working area.
Working area.
Hmm. Now I will add git add and I
It
will
will go from
check the
working
status.
area to now staging area.
Yes, correct. Now I will commit the changes. Git commit -m
Minus M and
added a meaningful message. Any meaningful
okay, okay.
message.
Which like everyone should be readable format.
Yes, that's it. Now I will push the branch. Okay,
Okay.
if you I told you right, if you created the new feature branch, you give git push, it will not push. But if you another option we have, so it will ask to execute the one command, right? Do you remember?
Means directly it won't allow us to pull, so we should
Push,
minus
push,
u
push,
should
not
give.
pull, push, push.
Push minus
Ah,
u.
push right. Pull means it
Yeah.
will download the remote changes to local. Push means it will go to local to remote.
Okay. Pull means it will pull the
Download from the
repository.
remote repository to local repository.
Okay. Push means from local repository to remote repository.
Yes. Okay. Now, if you use the git push, na, it will not push. It will ask to execute one command. But if you
Huh.
don't want to again to copy paste that command, you can use git push -u origin
Origin. Ah.
branch name.
Okay.
So it will push now. See, previously it
Hmm.
haven't pushed, right? Do you remember? It will ask one command. I copy pasted.
In the sense you told now for very first time you have to
First
copy
time
paste
branch
that.
creation. Branch
Branch
creation
creation.
first time. This is
Okay,
the first
okay.
time. If I do changes again, not required. Directly git push will work. I will show you. Again, I will create one file
Okay, okay.
3.txt. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
git status. It will show what?
Now again that new file, whatever it is,
Yes,
work. Now it will go from working area to staging area.
correct. Now I will come the changes. It will go to
Come
working area, working
uh,
staging area to local repository.
local repository.
Now, if I give git push, it will work now because this is already one time I pushed, right?
Yeah, yeah. Minus u origin, you already
Not
gave that
required
comment. Not required now. Okay.
because that repository already available in the remote. If you see,
Okay. Okay.
if already there in the remote repository, not required to use -u origin. Now, if I
Why
give git push
exactly we use
also,
minus u origin is just to
first
push to
time
local.
whenever you create a new feature branch in your local to push to remote, that time you need to use git push -u origin and branch now. Or else already you
Okay.
created previously, not required to provide directly new git push, it will work.
It pushes to that branch itself.
Yes, yes, correct.
First time means we have to make sure that for which branch we are pushing, we should give that minus u command and.
Yes. Why means it is not
Mm-hmm.
available in the remote.
Mm-hmm.
See, now push the changes.
Okay. Now it won't ask anything. That
Mm,
commands or line,
mm,
whatever last time we worked, it won't
mm,
ask. Directly it will get pushed.
mm. See,
Okay.
now we will see. Now we will see if the file 3 is added or not. See, file 3
Okay.
added.
File 3 also
Test.
added another one test before the
That is the
file
test 2
file
is
6.
added in the first push. We did
First
the two
push.
times push right here.
So that was first push, it got added. Now this
Mm.
is the second push, again it got.
So that is the reason how we can identify. You can check the commit message.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
I added the commit message different, right?
Yes.
While pushing the test 2, I added the comment message as a test 2. See, PC.
Okay. In message, huh? Okay.
Okay,
Added
what is
test
this?
2 dot test file, added test 3 dot test file.
So
Okay.
that is the reason people's
Mm-hmm.
able to understand what you did the changes without seeing this content.
Okay. Okay. So and if you pull now from that local repository,
No,
sorry.
pull means, for example, there is any changes happen in the remote repository. For example, consider I
Mm,
am pushing I am writing
mm,
pull request this
huh,
future branch to main branch. But you
mm,
also created one future branch from main.
mm.
But if I raise the pull request, these changes went to main, right? But in your local, your main branch don't have these changes, right? That time you need to go to main branch and git pull. It will update these files into the main branch. Understood?
Okay, okay. Everything now it is in feature branch only.
Uh,
Whatever.
if I raise the pull request here,
Commit. Pull
see,
request. Yeah.
pull request main, okay?
Huh.
If I create the pull request,
Hmm.
I will merge the changes, okay?
Okay.
See, now if you go to main branch,
Sorry, you recorded starting recording.
already started,
Okay, okay. Okay, fine.
okay? See,
Huh.
now it is there in the main branch as well, okay? But if you see my local main branch not available, I will show you,
Hmm. Okay.
okay? See,
Okay.
not there, right? 2, 3.
Okay. In the sense the test file what we created, it's not there in local now. In the
If
sense
you
it's
give
not
git
there
pull,
only in.
it will get the changes.
Okay. From remote repository, we were pulling to the local now.
See, now if you see, if you observe, na,
Okay. It
see,
pulled. Okay.
uh,
Test 2, test 3. It is showing here only.
okay, that is the
After
reason we
giving
need pull.
ls. Okay. If
Mm.
anything, we have to pull from remote repository to local repository. We will go with that pull. But you told me there will be no. They won't allow us to. Means there will be restrictions will be given.
Yes,
They
but
won't.
you are not pushing, right? You are pulling.
Okay, okay.
Understand?
For pull, no, like there will be no restrictions.
Ah,
Okay. I mean that authority will be given. We can pull from remote repository, local
if you have
repository.
a read-only access, you can able to pull
Okay, okay.
read-only access. Write access. If you have write access, then only you can
Hmm.
able to push the changes.
Okay. Only that merging option won't be given.
No, no, merging we are given in the remote.
Okay. No, you told us some permissions won't be given. I mean, now it is showing that pop up in if you work on the projects, they won't
Yes,
give
yes, yes, yes. We need to
uh,
get the approval, correct.
that time we have to get approval, then only we'll be able to
To
do
see
this.
the merge button, correct.
This
Hmm.
merge won't be like now how it is showing that way it won't show us
It
to
won't
one.
show. It will show as a disable. Whenever you
Uh,
get the approvals,
huh.
then only you can able to see the merge request, correct.
Merge, but we won't after merging only we'll be able to pull, right? Merge and pull. Or pull
Pull.
is different,
I
merge
will
is
tell you.
different.
No, no, no.
Huh.
When you want to pull the changes,
Hmm.
consider working as a two peoples. I am
Okay.
working, you are
Hmm.
working.
Mm-hmm.
First, you created a feature branch.
Okay.
You clone the repository local
Hmm.
and you modified the same file. Okay,
Hmm.
I also cloned after you cloned. I also cloned the
Hmm.
repository. I also
Hmm.
created future branch and I
Okay.
also did the same file changes. You also clone the
Hmm.
repository. You also created future branch. You also clone the same changes, same file changes.
Okay. Okay.
You push the changes. I also push the my future branch. You also push the your future branch.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Before you merging changes, first I merged the my changes
Okay.
into main branch.
Okay.
But after if you raise the pull request na your future branch
Ah,
to main branch, your future branch don't have my changes, correct?
correct. Yeah.
That time you will get the conflicts.
Okay.
That time
Okay.
how you can do it na?
Hmm.
Okay. In your local, in your future branch, type a
Okay.
command git pull origin main.
Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
That means
Okay.
whatever changes are available, latest changes in the main, that will also come to your future branch.
My feature bench. Okay.
Ah.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
And you will get the conflicts and we need to resolve manually and commit the changes. Now it will resolve the
Okay.
conflicts. That will also I will show you
Okay.
later.
Okay. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Got it. Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
Ah.
Yeah.
1 minute. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure.
I will come 1 minute.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello, Pooja.
Yeah.
I came back.
Okay. Yeah.
Now understood, right?
Yeah. Got it. I'll
Okay.
practice this.
Okay. Now we will log into the
AWS.
AWS.
Yes.
Ping me the credentials.
Okay. In WhatsApp shall I ping?
Uh,
Username and password you
yes.
required.
Mail ID. Mail ID.
Huh. It showed this ID also. It will show like top when we log in account ID also we can log in from account ID as well.
No, no, no. Account ID you can log in it, but mm, this one I am user.
Yeah, yeah. Here account
Mm,
ID, yes.
mm.
But right now I just logged in as a user on I mean
Yes,
root
yes,
account
correct.
only.
Okay, password.
Okay, I will get mail I guess.
Mm.
Number 55340.
553408.
404.
Hmm?
404, not 8. 4.
404.
4.
Okay. First we will go to EC2. Okay.
Okay.
EC2 means, if you see,
Mm-hmm.
EC2 means
Uh,
Elastic Compute
Cloud.
Cloud. Okay.
Hmm.
Here I will create one EC2 instance. Okay.
Instance.
To
Okay. Uh-huh.
install the Jenkins.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Jenkins server. I will take the AWS only.
Okay.
AWS server only. Here.
Free time.
What is this
Uh-huh.
AWS server now?
Mm-hmm.
This is the operating system.
Okay.
Present our laptop is Windows operating system. Correct?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, correct.
Like that, here we are using the Amazon Linux operating system, Mac OS,
Okay.
and we have
Ubuntu
Windows as
also
well.
we can use.
We can
Uh-huh.
use Windows as well. How we are opening laptop, we can open same like in Windows as well.
As well. That's what
Uh,
Red That also we can do Ubuntu,
uh.
but based on the wherever we likes
But
to create
yes,
an
all
instance.
our applications will use only Linux, not Windows.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And in Linux, we have a different types: Ubuntu, Red Hat,
Or
SUSE,
Red That.
Amazon
Mm-hmm.
Linux, different flavors.
Flavors.
Call it as a flavor.
Flavors. Okay.
Like
I mean, they
uh,
are also all OS only, operating
yes,
system only,
correct.
but different
Different vendors.
vendors.
Mm.
It has free tier only for T2 till micro.
Mm-hmm. It is not showing. Okay, okay. Only, but how you created account? It should show everything.
Uh, Normal way, like I create like creating new user creation account.
Hmm.
I went with that username password and that free tier, I mean free plan. It was showing paid plan and free plan. I went
Okay.
with the free plan.
Hmm.
It showed like 6 months like free with this much of instance, something like top it was mentioned 750, something like this thing.
Hmm. This is also free trial eligible. See, I think they added okay. They added different. I think this one we will
Okay.
use free trial eligible. T3
Okay.
small, and this is a new one.
Okay, okay. Something large also it was there. Maybe this is C7. Yes, that is something new name. Even I
New
am
one.
seeing
Yes,
here.
yes, which is not there
Before
previously.
it was not there. Something large
Hmm.
only it was there.
Hmm.
Okay. This key pair will use like primary and sorry, public key and private key for that only.
To logging the servers, we need to use the key, like our home lock.
Okay, okay. I mean, like, okay, it's a laptop lock, how we will
Yes.
log in same
Hmm.
way.
Hmm. Here
But
I
that
will.
that key consists of both public and private key
Yes.
details, huh?
Hmm. But
Hmm.
it should be available only private, but you can able to create public as well by using that one.
Okay, okay. Uh-huh.
Okay. And I will use the 15 GB for the internal storage.
Storage, okay.
Hmm. Okay. Now I will create
Launch instance. Like we are creating one virtual server on
virtual
that
server. So,
on the cloud itself, right? Like
cloud itself.
virtual server click on cloud
Yes.
itself.
Okay. If you check it now, here security groups, if you go to
Mm-hmm.
security groups, we need to enable. Do you remember you only asked previously inbound, outbound, right?
Inbound, output. Yeah,
Uh,
exactly here.
here, here we
uh,
need to open the inbound with the 8080 because Jenkins will
hmm.
run port
80 only. 8080.
8080. Okay. Edit,
Edit inbound rules. Okay.
uh, custom 8080
Eight.
to outside world.
Okay.
In the real time, we will not
Huh.
use this one.
Okay.
We will provide the some range they will give.
Okay. In the sense, company will give us the range within
Yes,
what
because
range we have touched.
this is the
Okay.
internal tool, right? Jenkins is the
Okay.
internal tool, not customers accessing, right?
Okay.
This is the
Mm-hmm.
building the software, correct?
Yeah, yeah.
This is
Okay.
not required to access the customers, right?
Okay. Means we will build the tool and we will work. So that is not required for the customer,
Oh,
client.
customer means client, not client. Client is required. I am telling customer. Customer different, client is different. Customer means who
Huh.
are all accessing from internet.
Okay.
Client means project
Project
owner.
owners. Okay.
They
Okay.
also have access some. So
Oh.
what is this
Hmm.
meaning range now? What they will give
Hmm.
now? This
Okay.
range
Hmm.
IPs they
Huh.
can able to access this server. They will give some range here. That
Okay.
in between range they can able to
Hmm.
access this server. Other people they
Okay.
can't access.
Only okay. Those who has that range, only those people
IP
will get
address,
access.
IP address
IP
of their
address.
system. Correct.
Some 255 or dash
Uh,
slash some that
they
ranges
will give
they
some
will.
range.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Like
yeah.
how it will na range I will tell
Mm-hmm.
you while networking. You will confuse
Okay,
everything
okay.
FIT each one time.
Got it, got it. Yeah,
Mm,
but I know some ranges
mm,
slash some range
yes.
255,
Mm,
56 something IP
mm,
ranges there is there.
mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now I will save it. What is this 22 SH?
Uh, that is
So
like
if you want
secure
secure connection,
shell, secure
secure
connection.
cell, okay,
Secure shell.
secure cell.
Hmm.
If you want to connect the server,
Uh-huh.
because the server is running on the AWS data center. If you want to connect the server to your laptop, we need a
Okay.
port 22 must and should open. Then only can able to connect the server.
Connect.
Otherwise, you can't able to connect.
In the sense from now somewhere that server it's there in
It
the
is running in the Mumbai.
Mumbai region. Okay.
Hmm.
Mm-hmm. So to access that port,
Virtual server, we need
what,
the port 22 SSH to
and
access virtual
mhm.
server to our local computer.
I mean, okay, from that
Hmm.
server we are accessing to our local
Hmm. Here
laptop.
we given outside entire world means overall how the PEM key they can able to access. But if you give this some
Anyway,
specific
uh-huh.
range,
Hmm.
those peoples only they can able to access.
Okay, everyone won't be able to access.
Hmm.
Got it.
Understood, right?
Ah, got it.
Hmm. Now we will connect. How we will connect now?
Mm-hmm.
Here, if we go to click, select which server you want to
Ah,
connect,
hmm.
connect. Here we
Okay.
have HHS client.
Okay.
Here command. So
Okay.
where is your PEM key downloaded? I downloaded PEM key,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Here in the downloads. So where it is there
Uh-huh.
PEM key, give on the right click, git bash and copy this command. And if you enter now, it will ask to access. See, now we are in server. Now
Okay.
we connected
Mm-hmm.
server.
In the sense, we have connected to the virtual machine of that server.
Alright.
Sorry.
Now if you give ls,
Huh. Now we have connected to the virtual server.
virtual server. Now if you want to see the server user present with server user,
Hmm.
you need to type it who am I.
Okay. Who I am. Okay.
EC2 hyphen user, default user.
User. Okay. Mm-hmm. This is now AWS Linux server.
Server user, correct.
Okay. This is AWS Linux machine which is we
Hmm.
are working now.
Yes, correct. Now I will switch to root user.
Okay. Sudo su.
If you type it who am I,
Now
it
it will
will show
show
root.
root. Root. Okay.
Why we are going root now?
Because like permissions, everything like
Hmm.
won't
Hmm.
be able to do with the normal user.
In the real time, we
Mm-hmm.
will not go to root user. We will type it sudo while executing any command.
Okay.
Sudo apt install git,
Okay.
not apt. This is the
Okay.
Amazon, right? M
Okay. I
package
am.
manager M
So if it is
and
Ubuntu, then we will go as
yes
that
apt correct exactly.
APT. Okay.
That is the package manager.
Manager. Okay. In commands and all will be the same, but
Hmm.
for
Hmm.
every different machine, the package this thing will change.
Correct. See,
Okay. In real time, we won't go under router. Then where we will
and that
go?
only less people they have that going to root user.
Root
Instead
user.
of going
Okay.
root user, we will
Mm-hmm.
execute the permissions root user only. They will give the with your name
Mm.
Pooja, right?
Uh-huh.
You log in server with the viewer credentials.
Okay.
Only less people they have a directly switching root user.
Okay.
What they will do now, they will give
Mm.
the root permissions to your user.
Okay.
So that
So
time
that.
you
Hmm.
are in your user only, you will use sudo.
Just sudo.
Which command you want to execute, you can use the sudo. That will work as a root user.
Root user. Okay.
If you have
Directly, we
access.
won't go like this way. Now, the way how we are able to
But
directly go to
we
the
will go, but only we have a less people's
less
access.
peoples.
Hmm.
Okay. Whoever for they will give the access for them, they will be available to work as a root user. That's it.
Hmm.
Other comments and all like normally from switching to this only we will work.
Hmm. Okay. Now we need to install the Jenkins. Simply you can go to internet.
Okay.
Okay. How to install Jenkins
Jenkins.
on Amazon
AWS.
Amazon Linux.
Linux. Okay.
So we have a official document.
Okay.
First link. This is the prerequisites they are telling
Mm-hmm.
here. Creating also they added documentation. Already we created, right? We went to the EC2.
EC2 instance. Okay,
Um,
got it. How to create
mm,
instances.
mm.
Hmm.
Everything this one we did.
Okay.
Okay, this one is the connecting. Do you remember I copy pasted command
Yeah,
connecting?
yeah. Connected. Okay. No,
Now,
next time now when I have to go, now I have to download a PEM file to my laptop. Then I
yes,
have to work because now it is installed in your laptop, right?
yes, yes, yes. You can create your own PEM key.
PEM key. Okay.
Uh,
Create and then go to that SSH where you showed.
mm,
From
mm,
there, I have
mm,
to
mm.
log into my account. This thing.
Exactly.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm executing. This is I connected, right?
Uh-huh. Okay. This is the first command. Like I have to
Mm.
update all the
Packages in the
packages.
server.
Hmm.
Okay. No updates are there.
Okay. If some versions or something upgrade is there, it will pop up there automatically.
Mm.
So that time you have to update that new
See,
version.
dependencies resolved. Nothing to do. Complete. There is no
Okay.
updates are there now.
Okay. If it is there, it will show how
It will update.
and all like upgrade to this version. Something it will
Yes.
show. That time you have to upgrade to that
Mm.
version.
Here we are adding the Jenkins repo.
Repository.
The repository means this is another repository. This is not related to our GitHub
GitHub
repository. This is the
repository.
RPM
This is
repository.
okay. This is remote repository of
Uh,
Jenkins.
okay. If you want to download Jenkins now, they will store
Huh.
as a one repository. That repository, this repository is RPM repository, not our like GitHub repository.
Okay.
Hmm.
RPM means
See,
what is RPM known as?
RPM means I also don't know.
Okay. Okay. RPM or RMP? What? I have to give RPM full form. I have to see, I guess,
Hmm.
what exactly it stands for.
So they will manage the some packages in the
Wow.
internet.
Okay. Okay. In the sense, Jenkins.
Not only Jenkins, so many tools they will manage.
Okay. Okay. Oh, Red Hat
It
package
had
manager.
package
Okay.
manager.
Mm-hmm. The Linux will
Hmm.
work on that Red Hat
One of the vendor,
vendor. Okay.
Linux vendor, Red Hat,
Red Hat
Ubuntu, Red
vendor.
Hat, Amazon,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
SUSE. Okay. Now we added
And
repo.
vendor is nothing but they are the providers, right?
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
See, adding the key.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Now updating.
Okay.
So why we are updating now? We added repository, right? If there is
Mm-hmm.
any updates happen, it will update that
And
repository.
in the sense, in that repository, whatever there is an update
We did,
required.
yes, yes, we
Mm.
downloaded this one.
Before we updated for that package, now we are
Uh,
updating this for repository.
mm. So there is no updates.
Okay.
Now we need to install the Java.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Why we need to install Java? Jenkins is developed by using Java only.
Okay. Jenkins. Okay.
Jenkins is developed by using Java only. So if you want to run the Jenkins, you need Java.
Java.
That is the dependency.
Okay. Okay. I mean, Jenkins is dependent on the Java files.
Mm, not Java file. Java Jenkins is developed by using Java only.
Okay. Okay. It is developed by with the help of Java only.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Any application they will write one language, right?
Okay. Okay.
Jenkins application is written by the Java.
Java. Okay. So there will be JSON also. There will be C++
Mm.
also.
Mm.
Like that. So
Python,
many
Node.js,
languages.
React.js.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Mm. Now in the market we have a Java 8, Java 11, Java 17, Java 21.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I install the Java 21.
Okay. Currently, which is there in the
Hmm.
market, that we will go with that.
See, 21.
Okay.
But
That
this
open
one,
JDK file, it is showing 21.0.8, that one.
hmm,
Okay.
now we can install the Jenkins.
Okay. So we don't require any Java background, like whatever, how it works. Like Java programming language, is it required for us to know?
Hmm. Not required for us. Java program.
Developer should work, they
Hmm.
will work on that, right?
Hmm.
Development team.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will install Jenkins.
Okay.
Now I will enable Jenkins.
Okay. Why we are enabling now?
Ah,
We just, huh.
why we are enabling now?
Hmm.
If your server is stopped and restarted,
Hmm. Hmm.
it should work. If you
Okay.
are not enabled,
Hmm.
if your server is stopped, if your server is again started, it will not work.
Suppose in case like on and off happens for the
Ah, ah,
server, if
mm.
he doesn't enable that option, then next time again it won't restart automatically.
Again we need to start the Jenkins.
Again, we have to do again every
Like
steps
this.
from first.
Again we need
Start.
to again we need to run like this only every time.
But manually we have to do this thing, or once we done, automatically next time onwards it will be start restarting itself.
No, no, no. What I am telling now,
Hmm.
already we added the enable, right?
Hmm. Okay.
If you run the enable, if you run the one time start Jenkins, even if you
Huh.
start and restart also it will work. But if you haven't enabled, you started and you stopped the server, if you restart again server na, it will not work Jenkins. So again we need to run this command.
Okay. Okay. Automatically it won't start next time.
Correct.
Okay. First, now if we give the enable and then give the start, suppose next
Um,
time if it restart also, automatically it
um,
will restart.
perfect. Yes, exactly.
Mm-hmm. If we doesn't give that enable option, next time again we have to go and give the start option and we have to run that one.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Now check the status.
Okay.
Okay, running.
Okay. Okay.
Now how can access Jenkins? Can go to server,
Okay.
copy the public IP,
Public IP address.
colon
Yeah, 8080
8080.
because that is the port what we have given.
Now this is the path, right? Secret.
Uh-huh.
Now can cat it.
Okay. Now from this server we are directly trying to access the Jenkins
Correct.
to that server. I mean from our virtual server we are trying to connect.
Yes.
Okay, same way you tried this as a Kubernetes as well,
Yes.
right?
Mm.
Okay, that time I was not able to understand how why we are doing this one. Okay. I mean, this has easy steps compared to Kubernetes. Maybe
But
that
real
uh,
time 80% they will use Kubernetes only.
okay to work like this.
20% they will use like this.
Okay. But there is a pod connectivity, containers, or those things which are there in that Kubernetes, so it's feeling difficult. Here, directly from the command, everything we are directly getting connected.
Correct. That is a broad concept. Even DevOps people, some of the DevOps people, they will not understand.
How you understood based on hands-on experience, or you
Mm.
also studied
Hands-on experience and studied.
like you also manually studied on the
Mm.
Kubernetes
Studied and I work on the real time as well.
real time. Okay. Even if you want to create any CI/CD pipelines, also this is how we will connect from the server to Jenkins. or
Hmm?
that will be different concept.
No, no, what?
Suppose we have to create the now CI/CD pipelines also. That
Uh,
time also, this is how from the server we will connect to the Jenkins and then we will create.
no, this is the one time only, one time activity only entire project.
Okay, very first time.
Every time directly you can access the URL, Jenkins URL.
Okay, okay. From there only we'll start to work day-to-day task. So
Hmm.
every day it not required to connect like this.
No, 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 no.
Okay, okay. It's like first time. I mean that Jenkins doesn't know right from which server what we are trying to access.
First time setting up the project, that time only required.
Okay, okay.
I think as a 4 years of experience, they will not give to install Jenkins.
They will only install and give.
They will not give.
In the sense, okay, okay. They won't give these
Hmm.
things, but it's good not to know from the scratch what is what
Hmm.
happening.
But they will ask questions. How install the
Ah,
Jenkins in your project? So that time we need to
projects.
tell like we install the Jenkins in the Kubernetes by using emails, and I will tell you. So that's why we need to how I run the yesterday, right? Like that we need to tell in the interview.
I have to we have to explain them briefly how it
Hmm,
is get
hmm,
connected.
hmm, hmm. Oh, you need to tell like that. Have you worked on to installing Jenkins? No, I have only 4 years of experience. Right? I haven't get a chance to work on that. My tech lead is work on that to install Jenkins. I work on the creating the pipelines.
Okay, okay. In that way, I have to tell
Hmm.
it when you're asking
But
questions.
I know the process because of while installing the my tech lead, I am there on that call.
Okay, okay. But usually for 4 years experience, they will create everything these things and they will give to me.
Hmm. But some of the companies they will give
Laptop
configuring
and they will
Jenkins as well for
ask
4 years
us.
experience. Some of the
Uh,
projects.
okay, okay. Suppose if we get doubt, we can check with the team. But
Hmm.
if not, they will make us to
They
do
will
on
give almost they will give 1 to 2 sprints.
Okay, okay.
Because this is a one-time setup, right? We need to do properly.
Okay, okay. That's what. Suppose if something I miss that command, then it will be problem for next
Uh,
time to work.
in the real time, we will not use command set. We will use YAML files.
YAML files. Okay, okay.
Hmm. Okay, this is the Jenkins.
Okay,
Here we have manage Jenkins. What is the manage Jenkins means? Like our phone settings.
okay.
Here we have all options. If you click on that, na
Settings. Okay.
system, tools,
Tools.
plugins, nodes,
Notes.
clouds. What is this system? Na you can configure
Huh.
this, some settings.
Okay.
What is the tools? Na I told you right.
Huh.
You can integrate this some tools in the Jenkins.
Okay.
We need to add here.
Maven or some other
Correct.
tools.
Maven and everything.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
We need to add it here.
In
But if
that
you want to
place.
add now, before adding, we need to install the plugins. Those
Plugins.
tools related things.
Okay. What plugins exactly like work as?
90% every tool we need to install one plugin.
Okay. For
We have a
every tool.
SonarQube plugin. We have a Docker plugin. We have a Maven plugin. We have a Gradle plugin. We have a 90% Jenkins will work based on the plugins only.
Okay. Plugins is like connectivity for that tool to work. Hmm.
They developed the logic that build tool logic and added as a plugin. If you install your Jenkins, that functionality will work.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Like for example, consider if you want to do something, not if you want to try to do the gaming now, we need to install app, right?
Yes.
Like that, if you want to do some build now, we need to install plugin. Then only Jenkins will work.
Okay. Okay. Kind of dependency, whatever it is there, that they will create in the plugins.
Hmm. In nodes means what is the nodes means?
Mm-hmm.
All the pipe if the pipelines in the real time pipelines they will not run in the Jenkins.
Okay. Okay.
It will show here, but back end it will run in another servers.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
The servers we will integrate here.
Okay.
Jenkins is only to manage.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay.
So traffic will distribute the multiple agents. Agents means you are the owner. Okay.
Okay.
You are doing some work in agriculture.
Hmm. Hmm.
You took
Okay.
the labor.
Okay.
You will inform, right? Do this work, do this work, do this work, like that.
Okay. Okay. Kind of assigning the task.
Like that. But where it is actually doing the work in your land only, right?
Okay. Yes. Yes.
But
Okay.
doing the work who? Labors.
Labors. Okay.
That is the reason we will create pipelines here itself, but backend it will run in the agents.
Okay. Okay.
Understood, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Hmm. It will work on Jenkins environment only, but it
Exactly.
works
Backend it
like
will
all.
execute in the node or slave. We will call it as.
Okay. Okay. No doubt. Cloud is nothing but the where the cloud it is from which server where we are working that cloud
Cloud, what cloud?
here clouds it is showing that's
This is what is the cloud. Here we can integrate the Kubernetes pod as a agent.
Kubernetes. Okay. Okay. Hmm.
Kubernetes pod. This is the servers. That is the
Servers.
reason
Okay.
here they are in
Pods is
clouds.
servers. Okay.
Ah,
This is pods.
ah. This is a security related. These are credentials.
Credentials. Okay.
If you want to connect this Sonar Cube from
Hmm.
Jenkins to Sonar Cube, we need to
Okay.
add the credentials here.
Okay.
Okay, users, creating users in the
Okay.
Jenkins.
Okay. Hmm.
This is the normal one, system information, logs
And
about
logs if we
Jenkins.
required we can pull. Okay.
This is the CLI, they will not use CLI Jenkins. Okay, this is the one main thing. Okay, now
Okay.
if you go to, if you want to create pipeline, you need to click on
Hmm.
the new item.
New item. Okay.
Hmm. As of now, it is there some types of pipelines: freestyle,
Okay.
pipeline, multi
Multi
configuration project,
configuration
folder,
project folders.
multi-branch pipeline, organization folder. Okay, but in the real time, 90% we will use pipeline
Okay.
and multi-branch pipeline.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Rarely, only 5% they will use freestyle. Okay,
Okay. Now we will go with the normal pipeline or free pipeline.
I will tell you freestyle job. After that, we
Okay.
will go to pipeline.
Pipeline. Okay.
One second, I am putting charger.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Okay, now I will go to freestyle job. Okay,
Okay.
here we have a different options. Okay, general. Here we will add it as a description. What is the pipeline?
Okay. Okay.
These are the old builds. For example, if you are
Hmm.
executing if you run the one time, it will show one, bill number two, bill number three. So
Okay.
we need
Mm-hmm.
to, if you want to delete the old builds, you can use this
Okay.
number here.
Okay.
Keep days here. Keep the number of builds. If I give the five na,
Okay.
if I execute sixth one na, it will
Hmm.
delete. It will delete the old one. It will keep only five builds only.
Means
I will
1
show
to
you
5
how
it
it.
will keep that set.
Yes, yes. Remaining, it will automatically delete.
Delete. Okay.
Why it will delete? So if you continuously uh, not deleting, na, it will increase the storage in the Jenkins, right? We don't want to already executed pipelines, right?
Okay. Okay.
I will show you how it is there. I given three only, right?
Okay.
Uh, Here you can specify the our repository URL.
Okay. Where we have to deploy that
No,
the
no, no,
Git.
no. Which code you want to?
Sorry, which
Code, repository.
repository code? Okay.
Which code you want to build? Our GitHub repository.
Okay. Okay.
If you select that one, it will ask to you providing URL
URL. Okay.
and credentials. But in the real time, there is no public repository, right? There is a private
Okay.
repository. We need to add the username and token
Okay.
because password will not work, right? 4 years
Okay.
onwards, GitHub removed the password authentication.
Okay.
Instead of that, we need to generate the token. Use
Token.
in password place as a token here.
Token.
Uh,
Okay. Okay.
Here, so here add it now. It will ask the providing
Gen
the username and password,
pass
and it
token.
will
The token number.
uh,
Huh.
okay. For now, I am not going Git. I will tell you later.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this is the build triggers to remotely. So
Okay.
if you want to trigger somewhere as a script,
Okay.
you
Okay.
can provide the token and you can execute.
Okay.
Understood? This
Okay.
one,
Okay. Yeah.
this
Got it.
job, if you want to execute from our local anywhere,
Okay.
okay, this is the build periodically means for example, this job you want to execute some specific time
Okay.
every day 12
Okay.
night.
Hmm.
You can provide the syntax,
Hmm.
cron job syntax. If you go to check it on Google,
Okay.
it will show 5 stars. Okay, first star is the minutes, second star is the hours, fourth star is the month days,
Okay.
fifth star is the month. See,
Oh, okay. Okay. Star that one.
first star is the minutes, second
Minutes.
star
Okay.
is the
Hours.
hours, fourth star
Day
is the
of
day
the
of
month.
month, uh,
Month and day of the week.
day and month and week.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, 5 stars.
Okay.
Star means every minute, every hour,
Every hour,
every day,
every day of
e-
the month,
every
month
month, every
and
week.
day of the week.
Day of the week means every minute it will execute that one. It will execute
Oh.
automatically.
Mm-hmm.
1 second, I'm getting call.
Okay, okay. No problem.
Hello? అయిందా షెడ్యూల్ అయిందా ఇటుకే రాంగా క్లాస్ చెప్తున్నా ఇటుకే రా ఉమ్. ఇంకా బయలుదేరు ఇప్పుడు 3కి ఎప్పుడు 4కా 4 to 4:15 ఓకే 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 5 నిమిషాలే అది, ఇక్కడ నువ్వు 3:50 కల్లా వచ్చేసిండు ఓకే ఓకే అదే 3:40 కల్లా వచ్చేసిండు 3కి బయలుదేరు అవునవును చెప్తేది నేను వస్తాదని సరేలే క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా చూస్తాం మళ్ళా తెలుసు తెలుసు బిల్ రోల్ అని ఏం కాదు మనం చేసే వరకే ఓకే మై ఫ్రెండ్ హ్యావ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ
Okay. On DevOps, huh?
డెవాప్స్ ఉంది
Okay.
ఓకే దిస్ వన్ ఇఫ్ యూ గివ్ స్టార్ నా every minute you will execute this job.
Okay.
Okay, this is the trigger. So whenever you do the commits na
Hmm.
in the Bitbucket, it will automatically trigger. if you
Okay.
added the webhook. This one you can add the time, but it will not execute that time. If you do the changes, for example, consider every 12 need
Oh.
to
Mm-hmm.
execute. But if you have the commits before 12 anytime, then only it will
Okay.
execute. If you haven't done the commits, it will not execute even if time match.
Okay. Like we will set the timing within this time. It needs to be scheduling like that. Some
We will
mail
schedule
triggers
time,
something.
but
Mm-hmm.
and also need to commit the changes in the repository.
Okay. Okay. If doesn't do any changes in commit repositories, then it won't show here.
It won't
Okay. Whatever
trigger the bill.
changes done in the commit, then only it will show here.
Then only it will trigger on the specific time, whatever is specific time.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Here, there is no commit required. If time is match, it will trigger. This is the only.
Okay.
Build periodical means the time match, it will
Uh-huh.
trigger. But polysym
Okay.
means time should match and also before time should happen the commit. Then only it will trigger pipeline.
It
If you
will
select
trigger.
this option
Okay.
like this, delayed workspace means every time if you run the in the here it will create a one workspace here in the Jenkins.
Okay.
I will show you that
Mm-hmm.
one. Okay. If you want to delete that one, you can see select that one.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Timestamp control. If you want to change it now, you can change it.
Mm-hmm.
Timestamp control.
Okay.
This is not required. Terminate. This is the ant is not required. This is a build
Mm-hmm.
step. So if you want to execute any shell script now, here we need to use. See, echo. This echo means in shell script, this will print the message. That's it. It will not do anything.
It will build the machine.
No, it will print the. It will print
Print.
the
Okay.
message.
Echo is. Okay. Okay. Miscellaneous. Okay.
Uh,
Echo. I mean, that echo command stands for.
in the shell script. In
Okay.
the
Okay.
shell script,
Okay.
echo is a to use to print the message.
Okay. Okay. To print that message, we use echo.
Hmm. So if I run a build now, it will trigger
Okay.
the pipeline. See, one is executed pipeline.
Okay.
See, it is printed, right?
Okay. Freestyle job. Okay. Oh, automatically it will start and everything
No,
will
I
go
trigger pipeline build now. Here,
build now. Okay.
build now. If I trigger build now again, it will execute second one.
Oh, okay, okay. There only like as soon as we give build command, automatically start to get created.
Execute that will execute.
Execute.
Again I will run
Mm-hmm.
build now. Okay. Now if I run second time now, it will delete the first one
First
because
one, because you have given that as third as a stop.
yes. See, I will trigger now again. See, one gun.
Oh, okay. There we have to set so how much time we need
Uh,
to
how much?
this.
Not how much time. How
Hmm.
many bills you want to keep it? Bills. This
How
is the
many?
bills.
Okay, okay. Like, what's the purpose? Like, if we keep building, there is a, I mean, problem. More lots of storage will be keep getting
That's it. Every
increased.
time in the Jenkins, it will. This will also store some data, right?
Ha ha ha.
But this is the sample one. But if you go to real time, now it will have so many logs.
Locks. Okay, okay.
And also sometimes it will create the artifacts as well here. Build
Okay.
artifacts.
Mm-hmm.
This is the
So
workspace.
obvious. Mm-hmm.
Now if you go to server na, it will create one workspace here. Okay. If you see td
Okay.
disconnected, I think.
I think it's not good. Top.
Disconnected server.
Okay. So this time now, since we give a enable, now
No. We are not stopped server, right? Whenever you
stop
stop server, we are not
stop
stopped.
server,
It
then
is
not. Hmm.
disconnected.
Okay, okay. That time there will be no impact. Only if it
Hmm.
stop again one more time when we have to restart that server, that time it
Hmm.
gets in problem.
Here we are not stopped. It is disconnected server.
Okay, okay.
Here, cd jobs, not jobs, workspace. See workspace.
Workspace. Okay. I mean, that is where we have created.
No, it will automatically create all the uh, in workspace. It will create
Ah,
every pipeline as one folder here.
okay. In workspace, it will create folders. Okay.
Whatever you created, right? Freestyle job.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Hmm. This is the default Jenkins path, home directory path. Inside
Okay.
this path only we have all the things, plugins, jobs, everything, secret
Yeah,
and
yeah. The
everything.
one which you explained everything, that is how it is
Hmm.
showing here now.
Hmm.
What and all you explained,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
Before.
Logs also it will show here. Jenkins logs,
Mm-hmm.
jobs, secrets,
Okay.
user content, users, workspace, everything.
Okay. Now we created that pipeline under workspace under that
No,
freestyle
no,
job.
no, no, no.
Huh.
We created a pipeline in the Jenkins. Whatever you create a pipeline, it will store in the workspace. That's what I'm telling.
Workspace. By default, it will store.
By
There is nothing like
default,
we have to make
correct.
a.
Because if you observe now our Jenkins, I am not created the workspace, right? Directly I went to the new
Jenkins
item I
new.
created.
Yeah. Okay,
But
that
it,
job name is freestyle job, so it
mm,
is showing, but everything it is created under workspace only.
mm, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now, if you go to configure, this is the one you can, this one we will use to execute the commands.
Come. Okay.
Any commands required, build commands or deployments commands, any commands you can
Mm-hmm.
execute by using execute shell.
Execute shell.
Mm. Okay. But for example, build with parameters. If you go to build parameters,
Mm-hmm.
okay, this one add parameter,
Okay.
string parameter, okay. If you see,
Echo O is not got it.
so we are passing as a parameter name. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
that will
Mm-hmm.
if you want to print now, we need to use like this.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
I will
Mm-hmm.
pass as a name with a parameter. See, it will ask provide
Okay.
name.
Provide the
If
name.
I pass my name, it will print.
Okay.
See,
Okay. Before it was not there. Now it is showing my name is Arjun. Okay.
so if you see whatever you pass parameter,
Pass.
hmm,
Got it.
see,
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
this is the build with parameters, and how can access the build with parameters by using in the shell script dollar
In the for a bracket name.
bracket in the
Oh.
Jenkins file
Mm-hmm.
parents dot param name
Okay.
in the
Mm-hmm.
Jenkins file.
Jenkins file. Okay. I mean that
Uh,
syntax name will differ.
differ. But I told you right, 80% we will use Jenkins file only, right?
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh, so understanding purpose, I am telling this freestyle job as well.
List. Okay. Okay. Got it.
They will use 10% people freestyle job as well.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Hmm? Now,
Okay. Got it.
if I use our repository, so I will use repository. Okay, you see,
In the sense GitHub repository.
ah, this is a
Okay.
public, right?
Okay.
Public, right? If you see
Yes. Yes. Mm-hmm.
where it will show, this is the public repository.
Oh, we can see which is it is a public or private like that.
See,
Uh-huh. Up. Okay. 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 It's showing public
so
repository.
means not require the credentials
Okay.
here.
Okay. If it is private, then only we have to give the credentials.
Mm. In the real time, no one will
Mhm.
use public.
Okay, everyone will use the private name.
Ah, how they will
Give the
anyone they can
public things access. Okay,
how
got
they
it.
can give the publicly their code.
Got it, got it. Yeah.
That's the sense their code, right? They will not
Case
expose.
sensitive, and moreover, that is not like officially we can keep as a public and give everything
Ah,
from the public repository.
ah.
So that time we have to generate the token and you have to give the token.
And token and this username.
Okay, that
Whatever your
repository.
username and your token.
Okay, that repository name what I have created and that
Not
token.
repository name. This is the account name. Username. Repository name is all over.
Hello world. Okay, okay. My user
Ah,
okay,
that's it.
okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Which
Mm.
repository I am using that
Ah,
username and the token. It is
this
nothing but
token
kind of
and
username
this
and password only.
this username and
Hmm.
token will work all the repositories inside this account.
Okay, okay.
Not required every repository can create the username and add it password.
Individually. So okay, once I give that account name
Yes.
and that
Mm.
token, it
Mm.
will allow us to access all the repository, what and all it is there inside this my
Real
repository.
time what they will do they will not
Hmm.
use the person's tokens, but 30% they will use the person's token.
Okay,
70% what they will do they will create a separate not person. They will create one user
okay,
called service account,
okay,
and
okay.
they will log in with the service account credentials, and they will
Hmm.
generate the secret token and they will add it.
Token.
Why
Hmm.
they want to add like this for example, you added your credentials, you
Okay,
left the project,
okay,
your
okay.
credentials, if you delete your database your
Hmm.
credentials will not work. That means all pipelines will fail. What are the pipelines they are using your credentials, it will fail all the pipelines
Okay, okay.
because you went outside, you went
Left the
from
job and went.
left the
So
project.
obviously
That means
my credential,
they will
everything will be erased.
they will delete your data, right, in the
Yeah.
database.
Yeah, yeah.
Your credentials will not work.
Okay, got it.
That is the reason they will create a one user called service account, and they will
Okay.
log into that service account. That is not a person.
Okay.
Understood, right?
Got it.
And they will log in service account. They will use the service account username, and they will generate the service account token, and they will add it.
Okay.
Whenever
That
user
service
to
account, if I leave also, everything will be there in the as a service account.
yes, you will also no problem, right? You are not using your credentials. Service account will
Okay.
not left, right? That is not a person, right?
Person,
Who?
got it.
That is not a person. That is the we created as a user.
User, okay.
Uh, that means intentionally, if you delete that user, then only it will go.
Okay, okay. If
Right?
not, that will be there as a service in that account. Everything will be, data will be there.
Yes, correct. That is the reason 70% they will use a service account, but 30% people they will use our their credentials as well.
Okay, okay. But the only thing is, if I leave that things, the CI/CD pipelines, what and all was created
Correct.
under my things will be gone.
Then it will not gone, it will fail pipelines while cloning repository.
Okay, okay. Every time, whenever we do, it will be like
Uh,
unable to
clone
create the
repository.
clone the repositories.
Here as well, Jenkins as well, how you did the clone, it will clone that one as well in the backend.
Same way, how the
Uh,
repository be cloned, here
uh,
also it
like
cloned.
that, it will clone to Jenkins, GitHub to Jenkins
Hmm.
server.
From that
Jenkins,
EC2
the
servers
repository
to
here,
the
here.
Jenkins. Uh-huh.
Repository to Jenkins.
Okay.
Okay. What is the default branch?
Main branch only.
So that is the
Main.
reason I added branch as a.
You are keeping as main itself.
That means main branch code only it will clone.
Okay. Now from Jenkins, we are trying to get connect to that remote repository.
We are integrating our GitHub to Jenkins.
Okay.
If you see ls-lia, it will show all files in the repository
Okay.
files.
In the
Because
what
we
and
are
all it was
cloning
there in the
here, and if you give the ls-lia, it will show files.
okay.
Whatever available these
I
files,
mean,
it will
which
show.
and all files it's there in the repository.
It will show. I will show you.
Okay. Mhm. Oh, every time we have to give the provider name.
Or else you need to remove the parameter.
Okay.
See?
Okay. Mm-hmm. Got it.
This is the clone happened.
Okay.
See? This is the backend it will clone. Cloning repository. See?
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Got it. Okay.
How it cloned without credentials? This is the public, that is the reason cloned.
Cloned. Okay.
Hmm. If you don't want
This.
that parameter, na,
Mm-hmm.
you can delete the parameter here.
Okay. So next time it won't ask the provider name.
Yes, you can. If you
Again, if
remove
we say,
parameter, you are not remove this here, na, it will fail pipeline. Name not found.
oh, okay.
Right? You remove the parameter, but you forget it to remove here. That means name is not passed
Okay.
parameter, right?
Okay, it
It
will
is
fail, obviously. We are not
yes,
giving name also. Okay,
correct,
that command
exactly.
is the properly we have to give. Okay.
Yes, exactly.
Now got it. Okay, save and
Hmm. See, gone. That will with the parameter gone.
now directly it will keep building. Whenever
See,
we give
uh,
build,
only echo. There is no
there is no
parameter now.
name. Okay. Whatever we pass in that code as an things that only will get here.
Hmm.
In that commands, whatever we give the command
Wow,
that will
that is the shell script commands. You can
shell
execute
script.
whatever you want in the shell script.
Mhm.
Okay. Now I will create the pipeline job.
Okay.
Okay. Second one, pipeline job.
What's different for freestyle job and pipeline?
In the pipeline job,
Hmm.
we will write the code in the repository itself, pipeline code,
Okay.
as a Jenkins
They
file.
okay. There we were writing under the command.
Hmm. Here as well can write it here as well, but in the real time
Okay.
they will not write it code here. They will write the code in the repository itself, pipeline code here.
Oh, okay.
The
Here we can
see,
write and there we can execute.
see, this is a Jenkins file.
Okay. Hmm. So whatever we execute in this, one second, I'm getting calls. One second. Hello.
Hmm.
That's what whatever we execute in this repository that will be getting reflected over there.
Yes.
Okay.
Real time they will use like this only.
Okay. I mean,
This is the
everything we
Groovy
will work
script.
first from repository, from later we'll pull to that Jenkins.
Uh-huh.
Uh, Everything will work in the repository and later we will pull for the Jenkins as a real time.
First this will we will return in the local and we will push the changes and we will raise
O-
the pull request your future branch to main branch or develop branch, and if we
Okay.
trigger the develop branch pipeline it will execute here.
Execute here.
Mm.
Okay.
So here as well it is possible to write the code, see, but we will
But
not use.
that standard way, that is
Mm.
the process and way
Mm.
that is how we have to do
See, I trigger
create the
now.
pipelines. Okay. I mean
See?
that code you have I mean you executed from the repository to here.
No, not repository.
Huh.
I added here itself. There, that's what I'm telling. We have a two options: execute from Git
Pipeline script or
remote
from
or
uh,
here. I've written code here
this
itself.
code did you write now or you
No, we
pulled
have a
from the
template here.
okay. Mm-hmm.
We have a template here. That is the reason it asks. We have a template here. If you select SCM na,
Okay.
if you select script na, here it will show
Okay.
which here. That is the reason I selected directly. But I will write I know syntax. I told you right. If you see
Okay. Yeah.
pipeline, uh-huh.
Hmm.
Pipeline
Hmm.
agent any
This kind
pages.
of standard template format
Mm.
syntax.
Test, test,
Okay.
steps,
Okay, the
Crypto.
same which we have created in the
Local. You do
local
remember?
repository. Yeah, yeah, I remember. You made me only to type and
Write
create
it.
those scripts. Yeah.
So I will give echo message here.
Hmm.
But in the real time, we will execute the command.
Comments. Okay.
Or else in the Groovy, we will use the print ln to
Print.
print
Okay. Print. Okay.
ln.
LN. Okay. Line. A print line.
Correct. This is the Groovy syntax.
Grooves.
So there is a some syntax error.
Okay. Okay. It's showing. I mean
Hmm.
that closing or
Hmm.
in syntax
See
somewhere it
this one.
says backspace. I mean
Hmm.
dash line.
Line.
Okay.
See now success.
Oh, okay. So if any errors in that pipeline, before only it will pop up over there, telling there is
It
a
will fail pipeline.
pipeline won't get created. Okay.
No, no, it will create it. It will not execute. Create and not create, right? Executing, right? This one.
Oh, okay, okay. I
Already
mean,
we
before it
created
was
it.
showing that it is wrong mark and it won't
Not
execute
wrong
that
marker. It will show as a failed pipeline. This is a symbol is
pipeline.
failed the pipeline.
Okay, okay. Hmm.
It will show which line? Line number two
Two. Hmm.
in the here. This is the line number two, right?
Yes, yes, got it.
That is it. It's showing. So if you want to add another stage, simply
Hmm.
you can copy this one.
Copy and one more stage will create.
That's it. Another stage.
Okay, copy paste syntax only, but we should know syntax, first syntax, what we have
Hmm.
to write.
So here, how many stages I added?
Three stages, I guess now. Test,
Three.
build,
Uh,
and
Now it is not showing right stages.
okay,
It will show stage names as well. So that is the reason we need to install one plugin.
okay, mm-hmm.
In the available plugins,
Okay,
stage view.
okay,
This one, if you install this one now, it will show the
mm-hmm.
stages in the graphical. So now if you go
Okay,
to,
mm-hmm.
I install plugin. Now if you go to
Okay,
Jenkins, if you go to this one, you see now it is showing test stage.
okay,
Now I added three, right? If I build now, it will show three now.
okay. One was test, build, and deploy.
I will show. See,
Okay, test, build, and deploy.
this you can call it as in the we are calling this one as a stage in the pipeline. Test stage,
Okay,
build stage, deploy stage.
stage and deploy stage. Okay,
We are calling as a stage here.
stage. Okay,
That is the reason in the code as well. If you observe na stage name every place. Stage,
okay, okay,
stage.
okay.
Inside stages, we have a different stages.
Okay, okay. Got it.
Stages we have stage.
Stage. Okay,
Hmm. Okay. Now we will build the pipeline.
okay,
This is the Java project. Hello world. Okay. This
okay,
is
okay.
the Java project.
Okay. Yeah.
So how we will do now? I
Mm-hmm.
will write the code to build here itself. I need to
Okay.
check out right
Okay.
here.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I don't know the writing the code. I will go to the
Okay.
syntax.
New. Okay.
Here I will say not new. That is a syntax pipeline syntax. I will select a Git and I will provide the
Okay.
URL
That repository one.
to generating the syntax code syntax.
Okay. 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 You means we are not sure what to write over there.
If you don't know.
So we will. Oh, if we don't know. Okay.
Uh, so our branch name main,
Main. Okay.
right? So this is a public, not required credentials. Generate pipeline. So you can copy this one
Okay.
and go to pipeline and paste it here.
under the
it will
thing.
check out the code.
Oh, automatically it will check for that code.
If you give LSF and Eliana, and here only we will
I
give.
think next line. After
Oh,
print we have to give, right? Or
any place, no problem. After
no
script, you can give
problem.
anywhere.
Syntax. No. Okay,
Uh,
done.
so here as well can give after checkout na. We give
Okay.
sh ls hyphen lia. If there is any groovy commands na not required to give sh. If the shell commands you need to
Okay.
give.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah, yeah. Shell commands will give sh. Normal groovy command we won't require to give
Uh,
sh.
Now our repository URL we added, branch we added. That means it will check out this branch and it will clone that repository. See, I will show you.
Okay.
Build now. See, check out it and showing the code.
And
Understood?
since whatever and all it was there in that
Uh,
repository, it is showing here.
so what I will do now,
Okay.
I will install the Maven and I will execute the test to build.
I mean the CI/CD pipeline will execute using
Okay.
Maven.
Maven. Because this code is the Java, it is based on the Maven. How we can identify Maven? If you have a
Uh-huh.
pom.xml, we can call it as a
Okay.
Maven project.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Pom.xml.
Okay.
Okay. I told you, right? If you want to execute the Maven commands, we need to install plugin.
Plugins. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Here, if you go to plugins,
Plugins. Okay. Mm-hmm. Previously, what created it was Java. Now we are creating.
Java, previously we only cloned. Now we are trying to build Java code
Okay.
by using
Before we
Maven.
just cloned. Okay.
Oh, we just cloned and that's it.
Okay. Okay. We not created anything.
We are not build anything.
Now we are building with the help of Maven.
Because Maven is a build tool.
Build tool. Okay. Mm-hmm.
So I install the Maven plugin.
Okay.
And previously I told you that if you want to go to install integrating the tools, if you go to tool section.
Okay.
Inside tool section, once you install it will show this option.
Okay.
Plugin.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Add, you can give any name.
Okay.
Okay, Maven. Which version you want? Maven version.
Mm-hmm. Currently, which version which is there that way.
You can select any version.
Any version. Okay.
Hmm. Okay, auto install. Whatever you given this name, you need to add
Mm-hmm.
this name in the Jenkins file.
Okay.
Understood? Any
Okay.
name
Okay.
can give, but this
Okay.
name we need to add in the Jenkins file.
Jenkins files. Okay. Mm-hmm.
I saved. If I go to
Mm-hmm.
our pipeline
Okay.
here after
Here.
agent, we
Hmm.
need to give tools,
And we have to give the name what we have provided there.
tools and Maven
Maven. Okay.
single quotations. Whatever you give a name, we need to give that name into here
Here
in the
itself.
single
Okay.
quotation. This is
Mm-hmm.
this will not change, but whatever you added that name, that need to give here in the single quotation.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we can this one we can call it as a checkout.
Okay.
Oh, we added here, right? We need to add it to this one in the above. Okay.
Okay.
We are doing checkout, right?
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Checkout. Okay. Now test. Now we can execute the test command, Maven test command. How we can execute now Maven test sh
Okay.
mvn test
Mm-hmm. This
and
is shell
build.
script, so we are giving sh over there.
Uh,
If groovy not required.
Not required.
Okay.
Here Maven build
Build.
mvn package. Build means package.
Package.
This is the commands we have already internet. You can
Okay, okay.
if you
Hmm.
type if it now
Since you know, like familiar with that, so directly you are able
I'm
to
typing. Yes.
typing. Okay.
Uh,
This all things is JavaScript only, right? Whatever we are writing here, it's a Java
No,
only.
Groovy script. This is the Groovy script.
These are Groovy script. Okay.
But we are building Java application.
Okay. Okay. Building Java application, writing script is a Groovy script.
Hmm. See, I trigger now.
Okay.
See, checkout done. Test the ambient test, executing test.
Okay.
Success.
Okay.
Okay, we got the var file artifacts.
Okay. Okay.
This var file, if you deploy Tomcat, it
Okay.
will run the application.
Okay. Okay.
This var file.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
See, building var file.
Got it.
We
Mm-hmm.
will get the different type of artifacts var, jar, er. But 90% we will get the
And
jar var
where only?
only.
Okay. To know
Two
this
types.
artifact things, we have to again go to Tomcat and deploy over there.
Var file we need to deploy Tomcat, but jar file you can run as a Java-jar.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, and what I will do now, I
Hmm.
will deploy this as a Docker container,
Okay.
and for that reason I will install Docker in the server.
Server.
Hmm,
Okay.
I will do it. Yeah.
This is now in our virtual server. We have to create Docker over there and
Uh,
deploy.
and execute the Docker commands.
Okay.
Okay, installing Docker.
Okay. Yeah, Docker getting installed.
So Docker is not properly
Installed. Okay. Error.
so we need to provide the permissions. What I want to know?
Mm-hmm. Change mode. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Read write access permission.
This one.
Ch mode, and we will give that permission names, right?
That will give, but before doing that one, we need to provide the
Okay.
um, user mode hyphen a
I
g
think yeah, mode not got type. User
docker root
OD only. Yeah? User
huh?
user mode MOD mode. Huh?
User mode.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
and also we will give Jenkins user as well. Whenever you install Jenkins, now it will get Jenkins user
Hmm.
as well,
Okay.
and we need to restart the Docker.
Okay. System CTL. System CTL.
Okay, now
Okay.
Docker info. Okay, executing. Okay, now
Okay.
ch mode
Change mode to
777 slash
read, write,
var
execute, everything will come.
uh,
Okay.
slash run slash docker dot sock. We need to restart the docker again.
But it not properly installed only, right? Since
No,
that
this is the
not
permissions only. Now it is installed properly. Due to these
okay.
permissions only, we got
That
that
error
error.
got popped out. Okay, okay, okay.
So now if we give docker info, we will not get
It will
error. See,
okay.
we are getting proper output. We are not getting error.
Okay. I
Previously we
mean
got
properly it
error.
got installed now.
Ah,
Okay.
that is also properly installed, but we are not provided the proper permissions.
Permissions. Okay.
Hmm.
It could have been only read permission, write permission, something
Hmm.
permission was not fully given.
Hmm. So we need to create a docker file. Okay, I told you that. So we require the Tomcat to deploy the var file.
Where file, okay.
So what they are doing now
Mm-hmm.
here, they are using Tomcat and removing the default website and deploying
Okay.
our var file.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Now I will here it is already there.
Docker file.
See, already there. Not
Okay.
required. I haven't verified. Okay. Previously I created. What is this mean now? From is
Okay.
the Tomcat.
Okay.
And I am
Mm-hmm.
deleting the default websites, whatever there in the Tomcat. And I am
Okay.
copying our var file into the in the Tomcat.
Tomcat. Okay.
Now
Mm-hmm.
I will change the expose because already running 8080 our
Mm-hmm.
Jenkins, right?
Okay.
In the same
Mm-hmm.
server, it will not execute. I
Okay.
am
Okay. Oh, mean same port it won't work both.
that is the reason I changed it to 8090.
90. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now after completing build,
Okay.
says Docker build steps script and sh Docker build -t. This is the Docker commands. While
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
teaching the Docker, I will tell you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Docker
Got it.
build and image
Okay.
name. My Java application.
Okay.
Space dot. That means current directory we have a Docker file.
Okay.
Okay, and says deploy Docker container. Docker stop Java application.
Mm.
What it will do now? First time it will not there, right? What first time means? First time we are executing. If you
Okay.
want to execute second time now, we need to stop the container and delete the container and redeploy the container.
Okay. So that's the reason we are giving this command.
Why I given this true now? If not there, it
Mm-hmm.
will skip. If there, it will delete. First time it will not
Okay.
be there, right?
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Understood? First time it will not be there, right? First time. Below
Okay.
I will do the
Okay.
deployment.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Next time onwards, it will stop and it will delete.
Okay.
If not there, here as well I am to give pipe symbol.
Okay.
Now here I will deploy application. Docker run hyphen I T D means daemon mode.
Okay.
Hyphen name this name. Java hyphen application hyphen P.
Okay.
So 8090 colon
Port number.
8090
Okay.
and image name. It is built right with this image.
Okay.
So what is this meaning now?
Hmm.
In the left side you can give anything.
Okay.
Still 65,776.
Okay, that port range, till
Uh,
which
uh,
range it is there,
you
until
can
that
give.
range only we
But in
can
the
give.
right
Okay.
side, whatever you specify in the Docker file, you need to give that one.
Okay, okay. Okay.
But for
This
now, I
side
am
we
giving
can
both
give
two.
whatever till that range, but next right side it should be the same exactly what we have
Yes.
given over there.
But that is the reason I am giving both two only. Both same only. No,
Same
no
also
problem.
we can give. That's not a problem.
Uh, but this range also that should come as a range only, port range only. If you see Docker port range.
Okay.
See 30,000. Not this one. See 1 to 65,535.
Okay. Until that range we can give
In the
numbers.
left side.
Okay.
In the
Here.
right side, we need to give whatever is there.
Okay.
Now we can try to build now. We will see what it will happen.
Okay.
Build now. Why? Now triggered.
Seventh. Okay.
Uh,
Got. I mean, pipeline got created. Something got
See, we are
created.
not. It is showing the build two times. I think. Check out. Test. Build. Docker build. See, it is there two times. Oh no 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 no.
No
Docker
build.
build.
Docker build.
Why it is there? One, two, three. One, two, three. It is there more. One more steps. One, two, three. One, two, three. Why it is there extra? Stage steps. Knocker build. Okay, now we will see. Again failed.
Oh, okay. Something syntax.
తిరు మీ అన్న ఫోన్ చేస్తాను అసలు మాట్లాడు సిరి 1 సెకండ్ హలో కాల్లో ఉన్నా తిరు చెప్పు చేస్తలే సింటాక్స్ ఎర్రర్
Range 45.
1 2 3
2, 3, 4, 5 it is. Here,
Stage, steps, script. One,
one,
two,
two,
three.
three.
1, 2, 3. This is okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here,
One,
see.
two. Only one, two. Okay. But it was showing in line 45, right? Some.
But line 45 it will showing, but it will calculate, right? Entire it will show in the last. Why it is happened? 8 cancelled. Okay. Not yet triggered. Now started. See. Now test running. Now build running.
Mm-hmm.
Now building the Docker image.
Okay.
Deploying the application also comes
Yes,
successful.
successful. Okay. Now from that repository, we creating the Docker image.
We copied the var file into the Tomcat by using the Docker file, and we created as a container.
Okay.
So
Mm-hmm.
if you access this one,
Mm-hmm.
no, we need to enable this port as well, right? In the security group.
Okay. The inbound outbound traffic.
Ah, ah, ah.
Okay.
Okay. Hmm. What happened? Is running or not? We will connect in the browser as well, but in the real time we will not connect it in the browser.
Okay.
Okay. 8090. What happened? Security group 8090. Hmm.
Before HTTPS was not there, huh? Mm.
Security group.
Okay.
Season. Uh,
Custom
Anywhere.
anywhere IP address. Okay.
Hmm.
Fail to connect to.
Mm. Yes, some network issue. I will check it this one. My friends are
Okay, okay.
came. They have
Okay, okay,
interview.
no problem. Okay, okay, no
I will.
problem. We'll connect
Mm,
tomorrow. Okay,
mm,
no issues. I
okay.
will work till that practice,
Ah,
whatever it
you
teach.
can delete this one. You can start new one.